Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another episode of the blog podcast from TechFact.site, your digital guide to learning, productivity, and mastering technology. I'm your host from TechFact, and today we're diving into something incredibly useful, especially if you're a student or a lifelong learner. In this episode, you'll learn about the top 10 free software tools for students in 2025. We'll explore how each one helps you in real academic situations. This podcast is specially designed to improve your English listening skills, build your vocabulary, and keep you informed with real, practical examples. Let's begin with an important question. Why do students even need free software tools in 2025? The answer is simple. We are living in a digital-first world where learning is no longer limited to the classroom or the library. Today's students attend online classes, submit digital assignments, and even collaborate with classmates in real time across the world. Free educational tools give students equal access to the same level of productivity and innovation, whether they're in a city or a remote village. Imagine trying to write a research paper, design a presentation, or plan your study week. Without the right tools, it becomes stressful. But with free and powerful software, learning becomes smoother, more organized, and yes, even enjoyable. Our first tool is a favorite worldwide, Google Drive, which includes docs, sheets, and slides. If you're working on a group assignment, Google Drive allows you to edit documents together in real time. No more sending files back and forth. You can store all your notes, PDFs, and even pictures in the cloud, meaning they are safe and accessible from your phone, tablet, or computer. One innovative feature is that it automatically saves everything, even your last-minute edits. Real example. Ali and his classmates completed their final year project on Google Docs. Each person wrote their part while the others could comment and improve it, all in the same file. No confusion, no duplication, just teamwork. Next up is Notion, a tool that's become extremely popular among students for planning and note-taking. It's more than just a digital notebook. Notion allows you to create a customized study dashboard with task lists, calendars, and even subject pages. What makes Notion powerful is how flexible it is. Whether you want to track deadlines, organize class notes, or manage a semester-long project, Notion handles it all. Real example. Sarah, a university student, worked her entire semester inside Notion, from assignment due dates to personal study goals. Everything was organized in one clean interface. Now let's talk about creativity. Canva is a free graphic design tool that students use to make presentations, posters, infographics, and even resumes. Even if you have no design experience, Canva provides thousands of ready-made templates. All you have to do is drag and drop, change the text, and you've got a professional-looking file ready to submit. Real example. Bilal used Canva to design his internship resume. The recruiter told him that the clean, modern layout helped his application stand out. If you prefer taking detailed notes during class, then Microsoft OneNote is for you. Think of it like a digital version of your paper notebook, with sections and pages for every subject. OneNote even allows you to record audio while typing notes, or add handwritten maths equations using a tablet or stylus. It's perfect for lectures where you need to capture information fast and keep it organized later. Real example. Zoya, a high school student, used OneNote to record her maths lectures. She added formulas right below each audio snippet so that she could revise both audio and written parts easily. Next is a tool that became essential during the pandemic and continues to be useful in 2025. It's Zoom, a free video conferencing platform. Students use Zoom not just for online classes, but also for study groups, interviews, and project discussions. The free version offers 40-minute sessions with screen sharing and HD video, more than enough for most academic use. Real example. Umair and his classmates meet on Zoom every weekend to revise class topics together. It saves time, builds discipline, and helps them learn from each other. If you don't have access to paid Microsoft Word or Excel, LibreOffice is your solution. It is a free, open-source alternative that covers writing, presentations, and spreadsheets, and works offline too. The best part? LibreOffice supports all major file formats, so you can still open and submit documents in .docs or .pptx formats. Real example. Faisal completed his final thesis using LibreOffice. The layout and formatting matched university standards, and he never had to pay a rupee. If you're someone who learns better visually, Trello might be your new best friend. It uses a board and card system to help you track assignments, deadlines, and progress. You can create cards for each subject or project, move them across columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, and even tag your teammates. Real example. A group of students used Trello to manage their semester-long research project. Each member had cards assigned with their tasks and due dates, helping the team stay focused and meet every deadline. Here's a gem for those who need to memorize facts, definitions, or vocabulary. It's called Anki. This tool uses a method called spaced repetition, which shows you information just when you're about to forget it. Anki is great for medical students, engineers, and language learners who need regular review sessions. Real example. Mehak used Anki to memorize 100+ biology terms in just 2 weeks, without cramming or stress. For tech-savvy students or those learning programming, Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is the best free software out there. It supports multiple languages, provides intelligent code suggestions, and has thousands of helpful extensions. It's light, powerful, and perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Real example. Hamza developed a complete Python app using VS Code and uploaded it to GitHub. His entire project, from writing code to publishing, was done using free tools. In 2025, being a student is about much more than reading books. It's about using the right technology to boost your productivity, stay organized, and learn smarter. The top 10 free software for students we discussed today are more than just tools. They are your academic allies. Each one has a unique purpose, whether it's for writing, designing, coding, organizing, or collaborating. And the best part? They're all free. Thanks for listening to this episode of the blog podcast from TechFact.site. If you enjoyed this discussion and found it helpful, be sure to follow us on YouTube at TechFact. Subscribe for more podcast episodes that improve your English listening, teach you something new, and keep you ahead in the digital world. Which software will you try first? Let us know by visiting TechFact.site, where technology meets learning. Until next time, stay curious, stay productive, and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.